Hi everyone, I'm Mashid Parsons, broker owner Mashid Real Estate. Today we are in the Northwest. We are inside Emerald Crest community at my newest listing. We have a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,700 square feet home with a pool, and I'm super excited to show you this home. So why don't we go on in and take a look. So this is my favorite part of this home. I love the kitchen. I love the large quartz countertops. We have stainless steel appliances. We have a chic faux brick backsplash that really adds so much character to this kitchen. You have an open area that looks right into the family room, and you have a dining room and all the windows looking into the backyard with the pool. It's a really nice atmosphere.
You better do this right. You better. We only got tonight.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of 10086 Mountain Foothills. If you'd like to schedule a showing, contact myself, Mashid Parsons, and I'd be happy to give you a tour. Thank you so much.
You're gonna stare forever.